Welcome to the in front of me Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have no installed by default the AOD feature here, so that's why we should just get the application from the Play Store. That's why just open the Play Store app, and then here on the search bar enter the Muviz Edge app. After that, we'll see this app, so click here now to install to get this application, and just wait a couple of seconds while this application installed on downloading and installing on our device. After that, just we should open the app here and click here draw our apps. Now we just should find the Muviz Edge application here, click once on the switcher. Now just go back to the application. Here tap to the AOD, select one from this available tabs. For example, let's go with this one. Then just click here to apply. And now let's just lock the device. So we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.